Tired of trying everything to lose that stubborn belly fat? Let's cut through the noise and get straight to what actually works, based on science. Forget the myths, forget the quick fixes. This is the real guide to finally shedding that belly fat for good. So, let's start by busting the biggest myth of them all, spot reduction. You've probably seen those ads promising that doing 1,000 crunches a day will melt away your belly. I'm here to tell you, that's just not how your body works. You can't pick and choose where you lose fat. Doing crunches will strengthen your abdominal muscles, which is great, but it won't burn the layer of fat sitting on top of them. Think of it like this. Your body stores fat all over, and when it needs energy, it pulls from those stores systemically, from your entire body, not just from the area you're exercising. The only way to lose belly fat is to reduce your overall body fat percentage. When you do that, your body will naturally start to trim down everywhere, including your midsection. Science is clear on this. Total body fat loss is the key. So, let's stop wasting time on endless crunches and focus on what truly makes a difference. Now, for the most important part of your fat loss journey, calories. It all comes down to a simple formula, a calorie deficit. This means you need to burn more calories than you consume. But how do you figure that out without getting overwhelmed? Let's make it simple. Your daily calorie needs, or your maintenance calories, are the number of calories your body needs to stay at its current weight. You can find a TD calculator online. That stands for Total Daily Energy Expenditure. Just plug in your age, gender, height, weight, and activity level, and it will give you a solid estimate. To lose fat, you need to eat slightly less than that number. A good starting point is a deficit of about 300 to 500 calories per day. This creates a sustainable rate of fat loss without crashing your metabolism or leaving you feeling exhausted. But it's not just about the number of calories, it's about the quality too. This is where protein and fiber come in. Protein is incredibly important. It keeps you feeling full, which helps control cravings, and your body actually burns more calories digesting protein compared to fats or carbs. Aim for a good source of protein with every meal. Think chicken, fish, eggs, beans, or Greek yogurt. Fiber is another superhero for fat loss. It's found in fruits, vegetables, and whole grains. Like protein, it helps you feel full and satisfied, making it easier to stick to your calorie deficit. And don't forget water. Staying hydrated is crucial for your metabolism to function optimally. Sometimes when you think you're hungry, you're actually just thirsty. So before you reach for a snack, try drinking a big glass of water first. A simple combination of a calorie deficit, high protein, high fiber, and plenty of water is the foundational formula for shedding that belly fat. Okay, so we know we can't spot reduce fat, but what exercises are best for burning calories and reducing overall body fat? Let's talk about the most effective, scientifically proven methods. First up, high-intensity interval training, or HIIT. This involves short bursts of all-out effort, followed by brief recovery periods. Think sprints on a treadmill, burpees, or kettlebell swings. HIIT is incredibly efficient. It torches calories in a short amount of time and boosts your metabolism for hours after your workout is over. Studies have shown it's particularly effective for reducing visceral fat, which is the dangerous fat that surrounds your organs. Next, we have compound lifts. These are exercises that work multiple muscle groups at once, like squats, deadlifts, bench presses, and pull-ups. Because they engage so much of your body, they burn a massive number of calories. More importantly, they build lean muscle. The more muscle you have, the higher your resting metabolic rate, meaning you burn more calories even when you're just sitting on the couch. This is a game changer for long-term fat loss. But what if you're not a gym person? Don't worry. The most underrated exercise for fat loss is simply walking. It's low impact, you can do it anywhere, and it's incredibly effective. Aiming for 8,000 to 10,000 steps a day can make a huge difference. This also ties into something called NEAT, or non-exercise activity thermogenesis. This is all the movement you do throughout the day that isn't formal exercise, like taking the stairs, cleaning the house, or fidgeting at your desk. Increasing your NEAT is a secret weapon for burning extra calories without even trying. So, if you're a beginner, a great routine would be 2 or 3 full-body strength sessions a week, focusing on compound lifts, 1 or 2 HIIT sessions, and a daily goal of hitting your step count. This combination is a powerful, science-backed approach to accelerate your fat loss. Finally, let's talk about the common diet mistakes that are keeping that belly fat stuck, no matter how hard you train. First on the list, hidden sugars. You might be avoiding cake and sweets, but sugar is hiding in so many foods you wouldn't expect, like sauces, salad dressings, and even so-called healthy breakfast cereals. These sugars cause a spike in your insulin levels, which is a hormone that promotes fat storage, particularly around your midsection. Always check the labels. The next culprit is liquid calories. Sodas, sugary coffees, fruit juices, and even sports drinks are packed with calories and sugar, but do absolutely nothing to make you feel full. It's incredibly easy to drink hundreds of extra calories a day without even realizing it, which can completely sabotage your calorie deficit. Stick to water, black coffee, or unsweetened tea. Another huge mistake is crash dieting. Drastically cutting your calories might give you quick results, but it's a disaster for your metabolism. Your body goes into survival mode, slowing down your metabolic rate to conserve energy, making it even harder to lose fat in the long run. It's not sustainable, and you'll likely regain all the weight back, and then some. Also, many people simply don't eat enough protein. As we discussed, protein is key for satiety and muscle preservation. If you're in a calorie deficit without enough protein, your body might start breaking down muscle tissue for energy instead of fat, which is the exact opposite of what we want. And lastly, let's address late-night snacking. It's not that eating at night is inherently bad, but the problem is what we tend to eat. Late-night snacks are often high-calorie, processed foods. This can easily push you over your daily calorie goal and disrupt your sleep, which in turn can mess with your hunger hormones and lead to more cravings the next day. By avoiding these common pitfalls and focusing on a whole foods diet, you'll create the perfect environment for your body to finally let go of that stubborn belly fat. So there you have it, the complete, science-backed guide to losing belly fat. It's not about a magic pill or a secret exercise, it's about understanding the science. Create a sustainable calorie deficit, prioritize protein and fiber, incorporate effective exercises like HIIT and compound lifts, and avoid common diet mistakes. It's a journey, not a race. Stay consistent, be patient with yourself, and the results will come. You've got this. Thanks for watching, and if you found this video helpful, make sure to hit that subscribe button for more science-based fitness tips.